Open the worksheet, ma. Have you opened, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then write, enter your name, your class and section. It's 9:52 till 10 o'clock. You complete that. After that, we'll go through workbook exercises of chapter 10. Are you able to understand, children?
Ma'am, once can you send the link again, ma'am?
Yes, ma. I will send you. Moksha, check once, Moksha. What, Kaushik?
I got it.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma.
Ma'am, I didn't receive any worksheet, ma'am.
In chart box, can you find worksheet? Noel? Check once in chart box. Shall I send again, Noel? Check again, ma. Bhargav,
Yes, ma'am.
are you able to open and do? Are you
Which
doing,
one,
children?
ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, due to power cut, I joined late, ma'am.
Shall I send again now?
Yes, ma'am.
Check it once, Bhargav.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Any doubts, children? Can you see this, children? Class 9 biology worksheet on chapter 8. Enter your name, your class and section. First one, leguminous crop gives about how many kgs of nitrogen per hectare? Alternating of crops preserve the dash. What is the use of alternating crops? Alternating of crops preserve the dash. Check the question and answer, children. Preserve the dash. And children, you have to submit only once. Though you submit twice or thrice, I will accept only first one. I'll consider that first one only. This crop requires very less amount of water. Which crop among those four? This is a nitrogen fixer. Bacteria that destroy some pest. Which bacteria is that? Beta and IR8 are dash. 100 grams of water when it reacts with 200 grams of carbon dioxide. How much amount of carbohydrates are produced? The way of incorporating desirable characters into crop varieties by that method is called as what? The irrigation system helps in preventing water wastage. Among these four, which irrigation system helps to prevent water wastage? Urea has how much amount of nitrogen? Okay, children. After that, you click on submit. Responses, 3 responses already. Mokshagna 10 out of 10. Hasrita, why have you submitted? Showing like 0 score. Jayani 10, Honey 10. Okay, good children. Okay, those have completed. Please open page number 298. Check and open my page number 298. Srija 10 marks. Again Hasrita. That's why I'm telling Hasrita. Only once you have to submit. Hasrita 6 out of 10. It's 10-1 children. Jashvita 10 out of 10. Bhuvana, what is the time now, Bhuvana?
Ma'am, due to internet problem, I joined late.
Just a minute. Jayani,
Yes, ma'am.
share that worksheet link in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
Bhuvana, check that chat box, Bhuvana. Now Jayani will share the link. Click on that and complete worksheet. Smruti, 7/10.
Ma'am, I sent, ma'am.
Bhuvana, check, are you able to open? Have you received it? Bhuvana Kruti, check and tell whether you have received or not.
Ma'am, received, ma'am.
Okay, then click on that. Ishwar, you need to work hard, Ishwar. You need to work hard, and you have to concentrate on the subject, because there are only 2 to 3 months, or maximum 1 or 2 months you will have. Then you will enter into 10th class. If you are like this, it creates problem for you. That's why you have to work hard. You have to learn the topics whatever we are explaining on regular basis. Lohit also 7/10. Okay, children, I'm going to stop sharing. It's already 10:05, so let us complete these workbook exercises. Page number 298. Only 11 members have submitted. Okay, ma. Kaushik, you are not able to open the link, Kaushik? Kaushik? Lohit, till today I'm going to give you 10th chapter. So you have to complete till 10th chapter. Monday I will, Tuesday I will check your records. Till FA3 projects reflections I will check. After that till 9th chapter I will check. 10th and 11th, for 10th chapter I will give you 1 more week time. Today only I will mark, but I'll give you 1 more week time. Okay, ma, open page number 298, all of you. Page number 298. Have you all opened?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, first one. Soil is made up of what? Minerals, air and water, decomposed organic matter. All. What is the correct option?
Option D.
Option D. It is made up of all these materials. The time required to create 1 inch of topsoil is how many years, ma? How many years does it require to prepare to form 1 inch of topsoil? It is given in the textbook as do you know?
100 to 10,000 years.
Yes, not in do you know? 100 to 10,000 years. Which option? Option B. The layer of the soil which is the foundation for the life on the earth. On which layer organisms can live?
Top layer.
Top layer. Option C. soil consists of nutrients required for plant growth are called, or what are these, what are the nutrients among these three required? Nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. These three are macronutrients. So what is the correct answer, children?
All.
All. Option D, all. If the pH level of the soil is below 7, that soil is called what, children?
Acidic.
Below soil acidic,
Acidic.
above 7,
Alkaline. Alkaline.
7,
Neutral.
neutral. The pH
Neutral.
is neutral. Then the pH value of alkaline soil is
Above 7.
above,
Above
7.
7.
Okay. Major microbial groups in soil are, what are the microorganisms we can find mainly?
Bacteria, fungi, protozoa.
Protozoa. Option D. The process of converting organic forms of elements to their inorganic forms by soil microorganisms is known as mineralization. The process is now called as mineralization. A major part of the soil microbial biomass is composed of, mostly the soil is composed of what?
Fungi. Bacteria.
Fungi. Mainly it contains fungi. 10th one, waste substances that can be degraded by microbes into harmless and non-toxic. What are those wastes are called?
Biodegradable waste.
Biodegradable waste. Excessive potassium content in soil decreases vitamin C and carotene content in dash.
Vegetables and
Fruits and
fruits and
vegetables.
vegetables.
Option D. The first widespread insecticide used. What was the first one?
DDT. DDT.
Diphenyl trichloroethane. It was the first DDT used. After that, insects became resistant, so that nowadays we are not using it. The process of increasing concentration of chemicals through the food chain into organism's body. What is that process called?
Biomagnification.
Biomagnification. Increase in solid waste is due to increase in population, urbanization. What is the reason for increasing solid
Both
waste?
A and B.
Both
A and B.
When the population is increased, urban areas, in urban areas automatically the solid wastes also will be more. Hazardous solid wastes includes which is
Industrial waste.
industrial waste is more dangerous.
Industrial
Waste. An excellent binding material that keeps the soil intact and healthy. Excellent binding material that keeps the soil. What are those, children? Forests and grasslands. That's why we have
Grassland.
plants to avoid soil erosion. The amount of solid waste produced in Indian cities. How much, children? 50,000 to
80,000 metric tons
per day. Microbial decomposition of inorganic wastes. Which gas is produced, children, when the biodegradable wastes are getting
Methane.
Methane gas. Which metal has unpleasant effect on human health?
Lead.
Lead. Lead is very dangerous. Soil pollution can be prevented by limit construction, applying biofertilizers, adopting
All of
4 hours.
All the above.
The average per capita solid waste is produced per day. How much amount, children? We have done one calculation also. How much amount? 364 grams.
364
grams per person. This is the simple and most widely used technique of solid waste management. What is that, ma? Burning or incineration or pyrolysis or
burning the waste.
the wastes. Burying. Pyrolysis, children. Pyrolysis, when we were studying biogas plant, we have studied, no? Above of that, this topic was given. Pyrolysis means burning of the material or degrading the material, solid waste, without releasing harmful gases. In the absence of oxygen, they will do, because when there is oxygen, carbon will mix with oxygen and will become as carbon dioxide. That's why carbon dioxide is global gas, global warming gas. That's why in the absence of oxygen also, they burn the material. That is called pyrolysis, ma. Next, using a biological remedy to reduce or clean up contamination. What is that method called? By introducing microorganisms, we clean the environment.
Bioremediation.
That is called bioremediation. Volatile elements which can be released directly from plants to atmosphere. What are those materials? Volatile means harmful. Those are
Mercury and
mercury
selenium.
and selenium. 26th one. Land pollution occurs massively due.
Ma'am, what is 23rd one, ma'am?
23rd one, incineration. We didn't discuss, I think. The solid waste management process which is expensive and cause air pollution. Incineration. Incineration means children burning. When we burn the material, why it is called as expensive? Because incineration can be done in some particular areas, like under some controlled conditions only, but it releases some harmful gases. Incineration means like burning using some electrical machines and all. Okay, next. What is 26th one, ma? Earthquakes, floods, landslides, hurricanes. All these are the natural disasters cause land pollution. Massively. Massively means more. At a time that severity will be more. Effect also will be more. 27th one. This method helps in the percolation of water into the soil. Which method, children? Counter ploughing.
Contour ploughing.
Counter ploughing. Percolation means like entry of water into the soil, absorption of water. The uptake of nutrients in plants is also governed to a certain extent by the uptake of
Soil
nutrients
pH.
depend on the soil pH. Number of earthworms per 1 acre. How many earthworms will be? This is there in, do you know? How many earthworms, children, in 1 acre of land? 50,000. 50,000 earthworms in 1 acre of
50,000.
land. Step farming is common in which areas? Step
Hills.
farming. Hills. Beside the hills, they construct like steps and they grow like stepwise. The microorganisms that help in the formation of soil, both A and C, mosses and lichens. Burning of fossil fuels adds which gases, children? Carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide. Option B. All these are harmful gases. Soil is the component of, soil comes under
Lithosphere.
lithosphere. Hydrosphere means water, biosphere means living organisms, atmosphere means surroundings which contains oxygen and all. Soil that is the best suitable for plant growth is suitable for plant. It is suited.
Loamy.
Loamy soil which contains sand, silt, clay, all will be. Toxic. Biological weathering is caused by lichens, mosses, roots of plants, all the above. Weathering means what, children? Formation
All the
of
above.
soil. Formation of soil. So formation of soil means like breakdown of big large pieces of rocks into small pieces. After that, it has to be mixed again with the humus, all the animal and plant wastes. Then only we have to consider that as the soil. So this biological weathering is caused by lichens, mosses, roots of plants, and all the above. Option is all the above, children. Toxic chemicals released by paper industry. Paper industry, which
Mercury.
mercury. Paper industry, mercury, ma. Major sources of formation of soil is. What is the major source here, children?
Rocks.
Rocks. Sun causes weathering of rocks through. Weathering of rocks through
Biological changes.
biological changes. Next, these are considered as windbreaks. Rows of trees and shrubs.
Rows of trees and shrubs.
shrubs. When those are as rows, they can resist that wind and they will help that soil erosion and all they will avoid. This gas is formed on burning of wood. When we burn the wood, which gas is
Carbon dioxide.
carbon dioxide, because wood contains carbon. Wood contains carbon. How does it contain carbon? It is taking carbon dioxide for preparing the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates means C6H12O6. Whenever we burn the wood, carbon is released, carbon combines with oxygen, that will become as carbon dioxide again. Ozone layer is present in this layer. Which layer, children? Stratosphere.
Stratosphere.
Friend of the farmer?
Earthworm.
Earthworms.
Farmer's family friend?
Sparrow.
Sparrows.
Sparrows. Biological remedy to clean up contaminants.
Bioremediation.
A
And
and B.
phytoremediation also. Phyto means plants, using plants also. The hazardous elements that are released directly from plants to atmosphere. What are those? Selenium and mercury.
Mercury.
Identify the mismatched pair. Reuse. Iron, recycling paper, counter ploughing, soil erosion. Mismatched pair.
Ma'am, which pair, ma'am?
Ma? Page number 40, bit number 45, identify the mismatch. Reuse iron. I think this first one and second one are given in reverse. Reuse paper, recycle iron. Is it, children? So what is the answer, correct answer?
2 and 3.
Yeah, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Counter
Yes,
ploughing
ma'am.
is one of the method to avoid soil erosion. Is it, children? That is one of the method of soil conservation. But here 1 and 2 you observe. Reuse of paper, recycling, iron. Next, anaerobic or aerobic decomposition of biodegradable municipal wastes. What do we prepare, children? We prepare gobar gas or biogas.
Gobar gas.
Option D. These are considered as valuable sinks for carbon dioxide. Forests only absorb large amount of carbon dioxide. Example for hazardous solid waste, industrial and hospital waste. But in the previous bit, they have given other options instead of hospital. They have given some other like domestic waste. That's why we have marked as industrial waste. But here hospital waste also given. So those both. And the best example for biomagnification. All these chemicals. Identify the correct matching from the following. So, soil below pH 7, that is called acidic. B. Above pH C, basic or alkaline.
C.
Mycorrhiza symbiosis. So option B, CA. That means what is the correct option, children?
C, ma'am.
Identify the mismatched pair. Biodegradable waste, dung, non-biodegradable radioactive. DDT. DDT is an, what is DDT, children? It is an
Insecticide.
insecticide. So option 3. Option D, only 3. Identify the correct matching. Biomagnification, food chain, solid waste is deforestation, soil erosion, burying the waste. So what is the wrong correct one? First one is correct, remaining 2 are wrong. So what is the correct answer?
D.
Option D. Choose the correct matching from the following. Incineration, expensive method. B. Bioremediation, clean up contamination. B. CBA. CBA means option B, children. You write there. CBA means option B. Next, the range of pH values of a good soil lies from 5.5 to 7.5. Otherwise, children, we can
7.5.
6 to 7 also, but okay. Option C. DDT was not soluble in water, but it is soluble in fats. That's why it can enter into the organism's body. Expanded form of DDT, dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane. Option C.
Ethane.
The process of combustion in the absence of oxygen is called pyrolysis. Calcium deficiency in soil is due to low pH value.
Low pH value.
Microbial activity and nutrient absorption in soils is due to high pH. Next, match the following children. Soil pH below 7, that is called acidic H. Above 7 E, that is called alkaline. Mineralization G, soil microbes. Mycorrhiza A, symbiosis. Biodegradable waste F, dung. Non-biodegradable waste D, radioactive waste. DDT is an insecticide. Children, HE, first one H, second one E, third one G, fourth one A, fifth one F, sixth one D, seventh one C. H, E, G, A, F, D, C. Okay, children, next one. Biomagnification D. Food chain. Soil erosion F, because of deforestation. Solid waste E, burying the waste. Incineration B, expensive method. Cow dung A, releases methane gas when it is getting degradation or decomposition. Bioremediation C, clean up contamination. Phytoremediation H, plants. The phytoremediation means using plants also we can remove that contaminants. Like carbon dioxide also we can remove. Is it, children? Okay, children. Any doubts, ma? Shall I mark all the questions for this chapter to copy into your classworks?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts, ma? Okay, children, page number 279. As we know, new words and summing ups mind map you have to copy. And next, first one, define soil pollution. First one,
What is page number?
page number 279. 279. First one, fourth one, seventh one, eighth one. 1, 4, 7, 8. Sixteen, 18, 19. 21, 23. Okay, children. 1, 4, 7, 8. 16, 18, 19, 21, 23. And yes, children, till 23. Okay, children, any doubts, ma?
No, ma'am.
Have you all marked in your workbook, children?
Yes.
Once can you
You now
Yes, ma'am.
just copy those numbers, question numbers, or you mark in the textbook and copy. Okay, children. Hope you people have completed your records, reflections, and projects. I know you are
Ma'am?
writing other subjects. Yes, ma'am.
Once can you repeat it, ma'am?
1, 4, 7, 8, 16, 18, 19, 21, 23.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, this Tuesday, I'm not going to take class. I will I'll ask you to show your get verification of your records. So everybody should join, children. Everybody should get verification of your projects and reflections. So I know that you are writing some other subjects, reflections and projects. That's why I'm not asking you to to write all these. Write classwork of chapter 10 till chapter 9 you complete. Chapter 7 no need to write. 8 and 9 you complete, ma. Till chapter 8 and 9 you complete, and reflections and projects also you have to complete. Okay. After next Tuesday, I will conduct my period for verification I will use. And from Wednesday, we will start again new chapter. Meanwhile, you keep learning the topics. You prepare on regular daily basis, children.